right, once again, take a look at what we're doing. This time we are subtracting, which means that we need a common denominator. But the first thing I'm going to do is factor everything. So go ahead and pause the video and factor and come back. Now that I have it factored, I do notice that there is a giant 1 in the first fraction. So I'm going to go ahead and get rid of that and then rewrite everything else. And now I need to actually compare my denominators. So I noticed that in the first fraction I have an x minus 5, and in the second fraction I also have an x minus 5. But in the second fraction I've got an x plus 3. I don't have that in the first fraction, so I'm going to multiply by a giant 1, x plus 3 over x plus 3. And then we start our simplification process. So the next thing I will do is simplify the first fraction. I'll make it 2x plus 6, just distributing the 2, over x minus 5 times x plus 3. And then I'm going to subtract 1 over x minus 5 times x plus 3. And then finally, I can go ahead and make my fraction, make one big fraction with my common denominator, and put everything in that fraction. So I have 2x plus 6 minus 1, and then I can just combine my like terms to get 2x plus 5 over my common denominator of x minus 5, x plus 3. There are no more giant ones, so that's my answer.